What is the Google Cloud Associate Cloud Engineer certification?
The Associate Cloud Engineer certification from Google Cloud is designed for IT professionals who want to validate their skills in deploying, managing, and configuring cloud solutions on Google Cloud Platform. This entry-level certification is a great way to start a cloud computing career, demonstrating foundational knowledge and hands-on abilities with core Google Cloud services.
Exam overview and requirements.
The certification exam tests your ability to set up cloud environments, manage compute resources, configure storage and networking, and use Google Cloud's monitoring tools. There are no formal prerequisites, but basic familiarity with cloud concepts and the Google Cloud Console is recommended. The exam is multiple choice and can be taken online or at a testing center.
Core skills you'll need to master.
Key skills covered include creating and configuring Google Cloud resources, managing IAM and service accounts, deploying applications, and monitoring operations. You'll also need to know how to troubleshoot common issues and optimize performance. Understanding Google Cloud's compute, storage, and networking offerings forms the backbone of your knowledge for this exam.
How to prepare for the exam.
Start by reviewing Google's official study guide and hands-on labs. Practice setting up environments in the Google Cloud Console, using resources like Quick Labs for real-world experience. Supplement your learning with online courses, documentation, and practice exams. Aim to combine theory with as much hands-on practice as possible to reinforce your knowledge.
Study tips and resources.
Organize your study plan. Break topics into manageable sections and schedule regular labs. Use practice exams to identify knowledge gaps. Join online study groups and communities to share tips and resources. You'll find most candidates benefit from repeated, small study sessions rather than cramming before the exam. Consistency and active practice are key to success.
What comes after certification?
Earning the Associate Cloud Engineer certification opens doors to roles like Cloud Engineer, Systems Administrator, and DevOps Specialist. Consider advancing to the Professional Cloud Architect or Professional Data Engineer certifications as your next steps. Continuing to build hands-on experience with Google Cloud tools will help you grow in your cloud career.